Celeste Renee, and I am back with another video. And I already know that I'm a few days late, but let me just tell y'all what has been going on with me this week. So my scale broke, right? Yes, my $130 Fitbit scale broke. And they don't have any, and I'm gonna get into this, it's gonna piss me off, but just know that I had to buy a whole nother scale. And it doesn't get in, today is Thursday. I weighed myself this morning on it. So guys, it broke. It's like didn't shatter, you know, but like it's not like not reading the numbers. So like some days I'll step on it and it'll like read numbers, give me like body fat percentages, and some days it don't. For like 2 days straight it wouldn't give me any numbers. I would stand on it and it would just like beep out. But this morning when I stood on it, it gave me numbers. So I was like, I'm just gonna take these numbers. Like I don't even have time to be trying to like see if this is correct or not. So I'm gonna take these numbers and do my weigh-in, because God, if I wait, the scale's supposed to get in tomorrow night. So I would have to weigh in Saturday, and that means like our challenge is supposed to end literally this upcoming Sunday. So I'm literally a week behind. So I was like, I just need to get this video up because I don't want people to try to drag me, be like, girl, you didn't upload this video because you know you was out here gaining weight. No, well, I did gain weight this week. I really didn't gain weight though. It was just, how much did I gain? It's not even a whole pound. It was 0.8 pounds. I was doing the math. Oh, I got New York Company. I was doing the math with my calculator. I was like, ooh, that looks like 8 pounds when I turned it right there, but you know, it's flipped. This is 0.8. Wow. It's just flipped. That's funny. But so yes, I gained 0.8 pounds this week, and like I said last week, I think I lost last week. Did I lose? I lost 0.4 last week and I gained 0.8 this week. I'm excited either way, guys, because first off, my clothes are fitting like so good, and y'all already know like my problem areas are my arms. And yesterday I wore a shirt that like I hadn't worn in 2 years, so I was like, I ain't even worried about the scale. And like I said, the body fat percentage, well, when my scale wanted to work, it was going down, but I haven't been able to check my body fat at all this week, because literally, let me show y'all my app when I go into it. The Fitbit app, it just shows for the body fat for the whole week, it's just dash dash dash. So yeah, that's pretty frustrating because I haven't been focusing so much on the weight. I'm sorry, y'all, I have some meat, some turkey cooking. I'm trying to like multitask, record and cook. So this video is done, she can eat because I just got back from the gym, boxing class, and I'm tired and hungry. So anyways, let me stay focused on task. Yes, I gained 0.8 pounds, but it wasn't even a full pound. And honestly, I really see changes, y'all. Like I really see changes. And this challenge is gonna continue because like I don't know what it was about this challenge, but it really like kept me motivated. Like having to upload every week and knowing that you guys would be like seeing if I lost or not made me like think twice when I wanted to eat something. And then you guys like, you know, commenting and saying how much you were losing, like it was really motivational because like I'm very competitive. So like when people are coming in losing 5 pounds in 1 week and I'm out here losing 0.4, I was like, oh no ma'am, next week I gotta go hard. So the challenge is gonna be, it's not gonna be extended, I'm just gonna start it again. So this week coming up, it was supposed to end this Sunday, you know, but I'm literally doing week 5's weigh-in on Thursday, so I'll do week 6 weigh-in on next Thursday too, so it'll be complete. And then what day am I starting it? So we'll get like half a week off. But the people who actually have been keeping up with your stuff, like, you know, y'all are good. I mean, I have been keeping up with it, but I just haven't been able to upload. So technically, I guess I could end it on Sunday. Y'all let me know what y'all want me to do. If y'all want me to just end it on Sunday and then we get a full week's rest and then start again, or do y'all want me to end it on Thursday and then we just start again on Sunday? I feel like we should end on Sunday. But either way, it's whatever y'all want, that's what we'll do. Hey, I'm down. Either way, whatever. So the challenge is gonna start on Sunday the 31st. So, and we're gonna do it on Sunday, guys. So we're gonna weigh in on Sunday, and each Sunday is gonna be our my upload date, because it's easier for me to upload on Sundays than it is for me to upload during the week. So I ain't doing that Monday thing again. No, I'm not gonna do that. So we're gonna start on March 31st, and then it's a 10-week challenge because in 10 weeks it'll be my birthday, June 9th. So yes, you know, I'm using this challenge as a way for me to, you know, get in shape for the birthday. So yes, I'm excited. So we have 10 weeks. It's a 10 or 11? I think it's 10. Let me just count our fast. I'm sorry, y'all. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, it's 10 weeks. So yeah. And my birthday's on June 9th, which is a Sunday, so it's even perfect. So yes, guys, I'm really excited for this challenge that's coming up. But this is not what this video is about. This is about this week's weight loss. Well, weight gainage, because we didn't lose any weight. But what I will say, guys, I made some like really, some like why am I getting tied up? My mouth is really dry, I'm thirsty. I made a lot of changes this week, like changes that I don't normally do. So one thing I did this week, I weighed all my food. Like on a scale, I weighed all my food to see like how much food I was intaking. And when you, like, one thing I would definitely say, guys, get a scale. This is actually, do I have it in here? Yes. I got this from HB. Y'all know I get everything from HB. It was like $5 and it has the ounces. What all does it tell you? Now I don't want to word. Now we on camera and don't want to word. Okay. Ounces, grams, fluid grams, mLs, that's milliliters. Yeah. So it does all that. And so, you know, most food goes by like ounces or grams. And so like I literally did the serving size. So if a serving said 45 grams, I would put 45 grams on there. And so one thing that really threw me off is like chicken breast. It's like, it goes by 4 ounces, right? So 4 ounces is like, I think it was like 160 calories. Y'all, like 4 ounces is really small. So like I'm thinking like a whole chicken breast is 4 ounces, right? But really a whole chicken breast is like 2 servings. So like really like weighing out all my food for the week and seeing how much food I was intaking, I was like, wow girl, you really thinking you eating 1 serving and you're not. So I think that really helped. Even though I didn't lose weight this week, I feel slimmer. Like I feel like my stomach is like coming together. I don't know, I could just be gassing myself, who knows. If you don't gas yourself, who's gonna gas you? But I'm really happy. I've been trying to drink 5 of these. So this is 20 ounces. This bottle holds 20 ounces. I've been trying to drink 5 of these. The most I've drank is 4. But I got this from Marshall's. It was like $12 and it's like so convenient. That was embarrassing. It's so convenient and cute. Sorry y'all, this mint, I got it on low, but it's cooking kind of fast. Okay. Yes. What else I was supposed to say? I actually had wrote out everything at work. I was like, I'm gonna write out what I'm gonna say on this video because some people, like, one of my videos, I guess like it's been getting a lot of views, so people have been leaving comments, and this video is so old, guys. Like this video is like literally from 5 months ago, and people are like, you need to take notes, girl, so when you talk you won't be all over the place. And I'm like, these videos ain't even for you anyways. I'm not even making this video for you. I'm making this video for the people who like me. But anyways, I just thought that was, I was like, maybe, you know, maybe I should try to write some notes, but I forgot them. And I wouldn't have looked at them anyways, because like, how fake does that look? I'm literally reading from a piece of paper. Girl, that's a joke. So there won't be any paper reading on this channel, but if you want to go watch video with paper reading, I don't know one. I'm sure you can find one. There's a lot of fake weight loss channels on YouTube. There's a lot of people who be like, I lost 30 pounds in a month and Photoshop their photos. So, you know, if you want the fake, go ahead and find it. But if you want this channel, we keep it real, you know? I don't know where I was going with that. It was just on my heart to share that with y'all. Anyways, yes, so this week was bad in the sense that I didn't lose any weight, and you know, we only have 1 more week left, and my goal is to lose 20 pounds, and I'm still sitting at -5 pounds. So I mean, some weight loss is better than no weight loss. So yes, hopefully with the 10-week challenge I'll be able to actually achieve my goals. But I'm still happy. Like normally I would be really hard on myself and be like, Celeste, like you didn't do this and that. Oh, we still have to do the measurements. Next week I do my measurements. So remember at the beginning of the 6 weeks I did the measurements, and I have to do them again at the end. So we still have that. But the body fat percentage has really been keeping me like happy, because my body fat percentage has been going down, and that's what really makes, like, body fat percentage really like gives you the composition of your body. Like when you're losing weight, that's just like, you know, the weight is coming out, but the body fat like shows like the muscle and shows like the curve and stuff, you know. I don't know what that was about. We're all about, you know, ain't nobody trying. Actually, I'm not even gonna go into like talking about bodies because it's just too much, and ain't nobody got time to be comparing bodies and all that stuff, you know, trying to keep it positive and uplifting. So yes, this week she gained a total of 0.8 pounds. Don't know why, but I'm not gonna stress over it, because like I said, I've been doing my push-ups every day, and some of y'all was like, your arms look smaller. I was like, yes, do that really, or y'all just playing with me? I was like, I hope they ain't playing with me. But anyways, I've been doing my 50 push-ups every night. 50 push-ups, 50 booty exercises, because this booty, like with boxing, it's a lot of cardio, so the booty was dropping and we ain't got time for that. So I've been doing 50 push-ups, 50 booty exercises, like any glute exercise, and then 50 abs. I normally do like love handle workouts, because like this gut, I refer to my stomach as a guzzy, but you know, it's we just gonna focus on the love handles for right now, because you know, if the size looks snatched, you can always put on some high-waisted pants and cover up the pouch at the bottom. So I'm not really well, I am focused on that for the summer, because you know, if you're in a swimming suit, you can't really hide it. But for now, you know, we still got 2.5 months to actually 2 months, April, May, because March is almost over, so we have 2 months, April, May, and June. I consider that summer, so we have 2 months till summer. So anyways, I'm starting to go off on a tangent that is unnecessary, so I'm just gonna cut this video. I'm actually cutting this video because my meat is almost done, and as I said, I am hungry. Yes, I'm putting my food in my empty stomach over you all. No, I'm playing. But yes, that's what I was gonna say. Oh, I went and brought some stuff, so I put all my snacks in like these containers. So it really helps. So like when I'm at work, I can't overeat or undereat because I only have the snacks that I have. And if I eat those snacks, girl, you just out of luck. And then when I get home, I change and go straight to the gym. I don't even have a snack in between. And when I get home from the gym, I come home and eat. And then I start fasting at 8, from 8 to 12. So it's really helped you guys. Please let me know what y'all have been doing. Like, y'all have been telling me y'all been losing y'all's pounds, gaining y'all's pounds, whatever y'all pound is doing. And don't get discouraged. Some of y'all are like, ugh, I didn't lose any weight this week. Child, this is the second week I haven't lost any either. So we're all in this together. Don't be down on yourself, because sometimes that's why you gotta keep taking pictures, because sometimes you might not lose weight, you might gain weight, but when you take pictures and you see yourself from week 1 to week now, you be like, oh girl, you did that. Because I took some pictures yesterday and I was like, okay. And then like, it's just little things you can see about yourself. You'll notice them, but other people won't notice them. And the scale's not gonna notice it, because the scale's just doing numbers. Like, you know, when I said I feel like my collarbones was coming in, oh yes, you better. I'm literally going like that, so that's why it looks like that. But no, just guys, you'll be able to see your changes. So don't focus so much on the scale. Like, I know we're supposed to be, we're trying to get to a goal, but don't beat yourself up. Like, if you don't make it, it's okay. As long as, like, if you gaining 5 pounds every week, then get a little concerned. But if you've been losing and then you gain like 0.5 or 1 pound or 2 pounds, it's probably just water weight. You probably had like a bad meal, and it's probably just water weight. So don't be too down on yourself. And we starting again next week. So if you didn't do well this 6 weeks, like I didn't reach my goal of 20 pounds, we still have another 10 weeks. So yes, that's what I came here to say. This is officially week 5. We in this thing. And I hope y'all have a good week. This last week is coming up, so hopefully when I come back to you guys on Thursday with this video, I can say I lost 1 pound. Hopefully I don't have to say I gained more. So that's what we're hoping for, and I will see you guys later. Bye. I don't even know why I keep going like that. Bye. That's so ugly. Bye.